Hey everyone, Manny Cabral here. Hope you're all doing well out there. Hope you're all safe and following the guidelines that our health professionals have given us so that we can beat this COVID-19 and get back to some normalcy. But people are asking me questions. How are we operating? Are we still doing business? Are we still doing renovations? Are we still answering seller leads? And the answer to that is yes. Of course, a little bit differently right now. Things have slowed down a bit as far as the construction side of things. We're still moving along, but at a slower pace, obviously. We're trying to keep everybody safe, and we're trying to stagger all the workers that go in there, trying not to keep them in there at the same time, and making sure they're getting their hands washed and being safe. So yes, things are still moving along, but at a lot slower pace, because obviously we're not going to have a bunch of trades in a property. We try to schedule them one at a time, and we got a property closing in the next week or so, so hopefully that gets done on time. As far as seller leads and are we still marketing, absolutely. I'm a believer that right now, I think we got in the business that I'm in, trying to buy off market properties, we got the biggest captive audience right now. So to me, scaling back on advertising doesn't make any sense. And as a matter of fact, I should probably be having a bigger spend on advertising. There's still opportunity out there, but still people that are going to need a lot of help. So trying to figure out ways to help them, while they're on unemployment, they need to sell their houses quicker. So we got to come up with ideas to try to help some of these people as well. So like I said, the biggest captive audience out there is out there right now. And we're coming up with systems to put offers on properties without visiting these properties, just through videos and pictures that sellers are sending to me now. And we're putting offers together based on that. So we've got to be safe. I mean, we're obviously not an essential business in the home buying industry, and we got to follow all these guidelines and respect other people to keep them safe as well. So we got to be very careful out there. But yes, I'm still going to be advertising. It's not going to be stopping, and we're going to be doing some new videos the next couple of days, and we might be ramping it up. We all got to hope for the best, but always prepare for the worst. And those that always do that and have some cash reserves and do things smartly will always come out in the end. I think there's still opportunity and deals to happen right now in the real estate market. We just got to be really creative as to how we do them. And maybe one of the biggest hurdles right now, maybe with some of the B lenders or some of the private lenders are a little bit worried and holding back their cash a little bit. And I think those are the ones you got to reach out to and explain to them what you're doing to make sure that they're still going to have a solid investment when they're putting out that those funds for you. So I think it's communication, reaching out to them, tell them what you're doing, what's going on right there, and I think it'll be fine. Like I say, I still think there's a lot that we can do in these times. It's just a matter of adapting. We have to learn how to adapt. If you don't adapt, you don't survive. So adapt to whatever business that it is that you're doing. Look at it, come up with a different strategy, maybe change your goals or whatnot that you're going to achieve there. But you know what? There's no doubt in my mind that things will turn around. This is a little bit different than back in 2008 during the housing crash that we had in the U.S. and trickled off here and so on. I think it's a little bit different. The economics are different. It's a different situation. And yes, will things slow down? Yes, they will. But I don't think it's going to be the same as it was back then. So hang in there. And just come up with different strategies. You got lots of time to do it. You got a great captive audience out there, and now it's time to get out to your captive audience. Anyway, have a good day, stay safe, follow the health guidelines, and let's get through this together. Have an awesome day, everyone. Thank you.